All right, truck is Stone Cold Steve Austin here. Hasn't moved all weekend. The old 5.9 Cummins. Line lock on. Grid heater. Yeah, I don't want to hear about it. Don't need a grid heater even at minus 40. Nah, man, you need a grid heater. Neutral. Ain't gonna have heat for a long time anyway. Might as well just turn that off. Give it some gas. Oh, bottom. Oh, Jesus. Oh, here we go, bud. Got 2, 3 cylinders online. 4, 5. One is still offline. I gotta hit the grids again. There she go, all 6 online. Winter mosquito repellent, mosquito control online.